Today the story name is Magical Shoes. Let's start the story. In a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Emily. Emily was known for her insatiable curiosity and her love for solving mysteries. One day, as she was exploring her grandmother's attic, she stumbled upon a dusty old chest. Inside the chest, she found a pair of exquisite, shimmering shoes that seemed to glow with an otherworldly light. Emily's heart raced with excitement as she carefully took out the dancing shoes. They were unlike any shoes she had ever seen before, elegant and mysterious. But what fascinated her the most was the note that lay at the bottom of the chest. It read, "Put these shoes on and watch the magic unfold." Unable to resist the temptation, Emily slipped the shoes onto her feet. To her astonishment, as soon as her feet touched the ground, the shoes started to move on their own. Emily found herself gliding across the room, dancing gracefully and effortlessly. It was as if the shoes had a mind of their own. Amazed and delighted, Emily spent hours dancing around her grandmother's attic. But as the sun began to set, the shoes suddenly stopped moving. Emily took them off and carefully placed them back in the chest. She knew that these shoes were no ordinary shoes. They held a secret that she was determined to uncover. The next morning, Emily embarked on her investigation. She visited the village library where she spent hours reading books on magic and enchantment. She learned that the dancing shoes were rumored to be part of an ancient legend about a mystical dance that could bring joy and harmony to those who witnessed it. With newfound determination, Emily decided to put the legend to the test. She put on the dancing shoes once more and began to dance in the village square. To her amazement, as the villagers watched, they could not help but join in the dance. Soon, the entire village was whirling and twirling in perfect harmony, their laughter rocking through the streets. As the sun set, the dance came to an end, and the villagers thanked Emily for bringing a day of pure happiness to their lives. Emily realized that the dancing shoes were a gift meant to separate joy and unity among people. From that day on, she would occasionally put on the shoes and organize dances for the village, making everyone forget their worries and come together in celebration. And so, Emily's curious spirit and the mysterious dancing shoes turned her village into a place of laughter, dance, and lasting friendships. The legend of the dancing shoes became a cherished part of their history, reminding them all the magic that can be found in unexpected places and the joy that can be shared through a simple, heartfelt dance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.